It's time for my lazy but healthy kitchen. I'm Karina, a nutrition and wellbeing coach, and today we'll be making an easy lentil curry. Let's have a look at the ingredients. We're gonna have an onion, we have some garlic, some potatoes, we'll have some curry powder, turmeric. We will also add some cumin powder and ginger powder. We have a cup of brown rice, a cup of brown lentils, some coconut milk, some chopped tomatoes, and some tomato paste. Ready? Let's do this! Always start with what takes longest. In this case, the rice. Let's start by adding some olive oil, garlic and onion, and let's heat it up. Let's add the spices, the tomato paste, the can of tomatoes, give it a bit of a stir. Now let's add the lentils and some water. Give it a bit of a stir and then simmer it for about 40 minutes. While this is cooking, let's do the potatoes. So after the 40 minutes, add the coconut milk as well as the potatoes. Give it a bit of a stir. Maybe add some more salt or pepper or maybe even chili powder, and then let it just cook for another 5 minutes and you're good to go. This is what it looks like when it's all done. If you think that 40 or 45 minutes cooking time is a long time, then I definitely agree with you. However,